Hello guys, Not the Ace here, and this is gonna be just a reminder for anyone who's wondering how come my secondary channel, the MFGS Vlog Response, I'm not been putting up a lot of vlogs. Well, like I said before, my main channel and this channel as well is that I am on hiatus, so I'm not doing a lot of videos, but I am putting up videos. So I basically, on my main channel, you'll see I did some quick vlogs, and I just basically directly put it there because it's fast using my phone. So for anyone want to hear my latest thoughts on video games, links gonna be on the description below. So there'll be links, gonna be my playlist, and it'll be all my quick vlog. Some of them like roundup. So there you go. So again, reminder is I am on hiatus, still on hiatus on both of my channel. And that if you want to know about my opinion about other games and video game related stories, links in the description box. There is a playlist also on my main channel that is MMGS Vlog. So thanks for watching.